Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle. I hope you guys have subscribed already. If you haven't, please be sure to do that. And of course, it costs you nothing to give this video a like. It's probably good for you and for me, so might as well just give it a like. In this episode, guys, we are going to one of my other shops local to me that helps me out with stuff that I can't necessarily do on my own. The shop name is Romeo's Automotive. They are in Denville, New Jersey. Good guys, good old boys, do good work. They're fairly reasonable with pricing, and they're, you know, pretty solid. I've had never any issues with them working on any of my Saabs. In today's episode, we are going there to go ahead and cut out the center exhaust on this car because the muffler is leaking there. It looked like somebody had done previous work on there. Obviously we have 200,000 miles, but it's come to time now where it needs it again. So we're gonna actually just go ahead and straight pipe it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that process. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the shop. What do you think, this guy?
That works. Don't look too healthy, does it?
No.
Nope, broken.
Yeah.
Yep. So you push up a little bit and you see cracking. So you want to take this out.
Yeah, just take that out and straight pipe it. Alright, so this is the first tour underneath this Saab completely. And it looks pretty good under here. We put 1,000 miles on this car this week, and as you can see, everything looks pretty good. I don't know what this is. A little oil coming down on that pan there. Or that's just water.
It has to be inside for that to do so.
Nice clean cut. There is your crack in the pipe there, guys.
Want it?
Nope. You want it?
Nope.
Pretty straightforward. Yeah, why don't you put the cover on?
Fucking batteries are shot, so it doesn't work very well.
True.
It fucking keeps flashing on and off.
Yeah.
One minute you can see, the next minute you can't. Knock it like this.
Yep. That I figured. I wouldn't touch it in this spot. Looks good. Start here. Sounds good.
I'll let you back it up.
All right. All right. Sounds good. I like it a lot. All right, so we are on the first drive from the shop home here. I hope you guys enjoyed the process of replacing that center muffler there. It was cracked on the end there because, as you saw, the original setup did not have the support that was needed for the weight, so over time it just cracked, which is why we added the extra support there. And obviously it should last. There's not that much weight there now either with the straight pipe. And sounds much better, the car, out on the outside. The inside, you don't really tell a difference because it's not like an exhaust system, if you will, but on the outside when the car's idling, which you just saw in the clip right before this, you'll see that it's got like a nice little, it's a little bit louder of a growl on the backside, nice little rumble. But here we are. I'm gonna give it some acceleration, and I'm spinning because it's wet outside. Yeah, you can't really tell a difference on the inside, but again, it doesn't sound like a junker on the outside anymore with it leaking, which is what we wanted. So I'll get back to the garage and we'll do one more walk around. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, here we are. From the front, sounds great, and as you walk towards the back, you can hear the rumble. That sounds awesome, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a comment below, give this video a like because it's really good for my YouTube channel and for YouTube for you. It's all about you guys. So please give this video a like, comment below, subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys have any questions, you want to chat, you guys can follow me at Kyle Pancis on Instagram. Happy to chat it up. Somebody last week asked me for a shop for Saabs out in Seattle. I was able to help them through the community. So all of you guys out there are really awesome, keeping our Saabs going, keeping them live, keeping them safe, keeping them well. So happy to help if I can. So be sure to do that if you guys have any questions. See you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.